Over 93% of Indians earning a salary will retire broke. That is not an opinion, that is an EPFO statistic. The average Indian salaried professional earns 25,000 rupees per month and saves less than 3,000 rupees. At that rate, building 1 lakh rupees in monthly passive income sounds impossible. But here is the terrifying truth, it is not. And the people who cracked it started exactly where you are. Here is something your school, your college, and your employer will never tell you. Your salary is designed to keep you coming back. In 1947, India's per capita income was 249 rupee per year. Today it is 1.7 lakh rupees per year, but rent, inflation, and EMIs have eaten every single rupee of that growth. Working harder inside this system is not the answer. Building outside it, that is the game changer. Meet Arjun Sharma, 26 years old, software engineer from Pune, earning 42,000 rupees a month in 2021. By March 2023, his passive income crossed 1.08 lakh rupees per month without quitting his job. His weapons: dividend stocks through Zerodha, one digital course priced at 1,999 rupees, and an affiliate blog generating 40,000 monthly visitors. 3 streams. Zero magic. Pure compounding strategy executed with military discipline. The math that nobody teaches you. If you invest 15,000 rupee per month in a Nifty 50 index fund at India's historical return of 12% annually, in 15 years you will have built a corpus of 75 lakhs rupees. At a 4% safe withdrawal rate, that generates 25,000 rupees passively, forever. Now stack that with one digital income stream earning 50,000 rupees. You are already at 75,000 rupees. Add dividends, you have crossed 1 lakh rupees. The math is shockingly simple. India's dividend market is criminally underused. Coal India paid 15 rupees and 25 paise dividend per share in 2023. If you own just 6,500 shares, worth roughly 10 lakhs rupees at that time, you collected 99,125 rupees in one single year, doing absolutely nothing. HDFC Bank, ITC, Power Grid, these companies have paid uninterrupted dividends for over 20 consecutive years. This is the passive income strategy that Indian billionaires use while the middle class stares at Instagram. Digital products are India's biggest untapped goldmine right now. A teacher in Jaipur selling a 999 rupee PDF guide on competitive exam preparation earned 2.3 lakhs rupees in 1 month from a product she built in 11 days. On Gumroad, Instamojo, and Teachable, Indian creators are printing money while sleeping. The overhead cost: 0 rupees. The scale potential: unlimited. Your knowledge, the thing you already have in your head, is worth crores to someone who desperately needs it. Here is India's unfair advantage the world is sleeping on. India has 700 million internet users, the cheapest data rates on earth, 1 gigabyte for 10 rupees, and a desperate, hungry audience searching for solutions in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada. English content is overcrowded. Regional language YouTube channels in finance, education, and health are growing at 340% annually. The creator who builds in their mother tongue right now will dominate the next decade. This window is open, but not forever. Your 90-day action plan starts today. Month 1, open a Zerodha account, start a 5,000 rupee monthly SIP in Nifty 50, and identify one skill you can teach. Month 2, build a simple digital product. Even a 499 rupee checklist counts. Month 3, launch an affiliate blog or a regional YouTube channel. The goal is not perfection, it is your first 1,000 rupees in passive income. Because once you earn 1 rupee while sleeping, You will never think about money the same way again. 1 lakh rupees per month passive income is not a fantasy reserved for the rich. It is a 3 to 5 year plan built on 3 pillars: market investing, digital products, and content creation, that any disciplined Indian can execute starting with 5,000 rupees and a smartphone. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is the decision to start today instead of someday. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week.